Hey everyone, my name is Kaivan, and today we're going to talk about why you should sell direct to consumer. So it's 2018, and if you're a manufacturer of a product, so for an example, a Sharpie, a watch, a t-shirt, and if you're not selling directly to end consumer, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. So let me break this down in 2 or 3 bullet points here for you. One, your gross margin, right? The traditional way you would share your gross margin with a distributor or a wholesaler. Here you get to keep 100% of your gross margin. Second, and I think probably this is the most important one, is consumer insight and consumer data. So now you actually have an understanding who's buying your product and what they look like and what their age group might be or where they're based out of. And from there, you can actually think about it. You can utilize that data into your other channels as well. So point number 3 is how do you take the data that you're getting from direct to consumer and utilize it across Amazon, your retail channels as well, and really be able to grow your holistic overall business with direct to consumer strategy. So it's 2018, and if direct to consumer strategy is not on your map for this year, I would highly suggest and challenge you to really reconsider and activate your direct to consumer strategy. Let me know if you have any questions, comment below or subscribe, and let me know how I did on my first video. So I'll be talking so much more about direct to consumer, something that I am very passionate about. So leave a comment, ask a question, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.